Let's just switch things up a bit. Doing a iPhone XS, no touch. Very, very common. Very problematic. Let me just walk you through what I would do to diagnose it and then do the repair. So let's switch to the microscope camera. So typically, I would check the first three pins diode reader. First pin would be 0.3 something. So 0.3, that's correct. Second pin is 0.3, also 2 correct. Third pin, however, open line, right? And I'll check the other three pins from the other end. First pin, 0.52. Second pin, 5.6. Third pin, 3.3. Fourth pin, 6.2. So there we have our problem. So I'm gonna just separate this board. See, a lot of oxidation is happening. But it only happens up to a certain point. 4 leads going up from the connector. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is where touch is then. So it's 5 leads, 5 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the pin is the problem. So we'll have to either clean up or reball, or easy way to do is let's check and see if we have any. We can make this way easy on us by just fixing this area itself. There's no need to. I know other technicians would want to, but sometimes it's just not necessary. If it is severely oxidized or like it has like a lot of water damage, for sure. But at this point, no, I don't feel so. The only thing I'll use is low temp soda, and I'll recheck it. Very thin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure. The rest is not bad, but this area mainly, yeah. Just check to make sure we have any No pads, jumping up, nope. Seems all perfectly fine. Right, this is supposed to be a very easy job. And that is only if you know what you're doing properly. This spin in front. Could probably put a little more on this side. Yep. Alright, let's check back this. Make sure everything is working fine. First pin, 0.327. Second pin, 0.327. Third pin. And yes, we have power on the third pin. 558. And check back. Touch racer 64, 6, 3, 398, 3. Yep, everything is in gear. And let's go about and test this. Been close. Alright, touch is working. Battery smooth. Yeah. Being able to work smart with board repairs, especially in scenarios like this where you know exactly what a known fault is on a, let me say for instance, an iPhone XS with a no touch, will make your life so easier. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Enjoy. Look out for the next one. Bye.